Hi, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's recipe is all going to be about aloo muttur potato peas curry. So the ingredients which you need are chili powder, coriander, oil, water, potatoes boiled and I have smashed them, green peas, I have soaked them in the water, curry leaves, tomatoes, green chilies, sliced onions, ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, turmeric, jeera, and garam masala. So now I'm just going to take a jar. Do follow the steps. Now I'm going to add the sliced tomatoes. As it is going to be in a curry form, we need it to be a little fluidy and watery paste. So I'm going to take some tomatoes. Here I've taken all about two tomatoes and 5 to 6 chilies sliced. It depends on the spiciness you need. So now we will have to grind them. If you want, you can add a bit of water. So now I'm taking a pan and then I'm going to add oil. Once it is heated up, we'll add curry leaves, onions. So now we will just fry them until it turns golden brown. So now I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, around 2 tablespoons. Let's mix them well. Cumin seeds and the paste which we had grinded. So now we'll be adding chili powder. As you have already grinded the chilies, add according to the spiciness you need. Now I'm going to add cumin powder. Here I've taken 3 spoons of cumin powder and 2 spoons of garam masala, a bit of turmeric. According to the taste and color you need, add water. Now I'm going to add smashed boiled potatoes. As it's already boiled, you don't need to cook the curry for a long time. Peas. Add water according to the form you need. Don't make it too watery also. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. So you can make this curry for your chapatis, puris, pav bhajis and many more as a sides. You can have it with rice also and it's going to be tasting very yum. Now I'll be adding coriander, which gives a good fragrance to the dishes which we prepare. So now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe without fail.